Hey baby, we are cleansing right now. It's drizzling a little bit. I'm hoping my phone doesn't get too wet. But let me show you one of the friends that's hanging out. Hi. And a few minutes ago, two doves flew by, and a minute ago, a tiny flock of like 7 or 10 finches flew by overhead. I was hoping we would catch some of them in the video. Maybe we'll hang out for a second. Ask and you shall receive, right? We requested their presence, and they showed up. Three little birds. I believe in you, and I hope to see you tomorrow.